Google is finally making some changes to the Pixel launcher, and this time, it feels like a real step forward. For years, Pixel users have been asking for more control over their home screens, and now with Android 17, that request is starting to become reality. In the latest beta version, specifically Android 17 Beta 3, a new feature has been discovered hidden inside the system. It's called a home screen organizer. And even though it's still a work in progress, it already shows a lot of promise. This tool could completely change how Pixel users set up and manage their home screens. Right now, the Pixel launcher is known for being simple, clean and easy to use, but at the same time, it's also been very limited. Compared to other Android skins, especially One UI from Samsung, Pixel users haven't had many options to customize their layout. If you wanted to rearrange your home screen, you had to do everything manually, moving apps one by one and clearing pages yourself. It worked, but it wasn't efficient. That's where this new organizer tool comes in. Instead of handling everything manually, users will be able to create, delete, and rearrange entire home screen pages from one simple interface. That alone is a big improvement, but it gets even more interesting. When you create a new home screen page, your phone could automatically suggest apps and widgets based on categories. These include things like most used apps, games, health and fitness, productivity, travel, and social. These categories are likely based on data from the Google Play Store, which means your phone can actually understand how you use your apps and organize them in a smart way. On top of that, you won't just get random layouts. You'll be able to choose how everything is arranged on the screen. That means you can pick a layout that fits your style instead of being stuck with one default design. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in everyday use. Now, it's important to remember that this feature is still under development. The version found in the beta isn't fully polished yet. In fact, early previews show placeholder graphics instead of real app icons, which means Google is still working on the final design. Even the name, organizer, might change before the official release. So, this isn't something you'll get immediately, but it could arrive later this year with the stable version of Android 17. This update is part of a bigger shift happening with the Pixel launcher. Google has already started adding more customization options. For example, users can now hide app names on the home screen, which gives a cleaner look. There's also finally an option to remove the at-a-glance widget, which used to be locked at the top of the screen. These changes may seem small on their own, but together, they show that Google is listening. Pixel users have wanted more flexibility for a long time, and now it feels like things are moving in the right direction. That said, Google is still playing catch up. Features like this have been available on Samsung phones and even third-party launchers for years. Apps like Nova Launcher have offered deep customization options long before Google started adding them to the Pixel launcher. So while this update is exciting, it's not exactly groundbreaking. There's also still more to improve. One of the biggest complaints from Pixel users is the search bar that stays fixed at the bottom of the screen. Many people want the option to remove it completely, but that hasn't happened yet. If Google truly wants to give users full control, that should be one of the next things to change. Still, this new organizer feature is a big step forward. It makes the Pixel launcher smarter, more flexible, and easier to use. For people who like a clean Android experience but want more control over their setup, this could be exactly what they've been waiting for. If this feature makes it into the final version of Android 17, it could finally bring the Pixel launcher closer to what users have been asking for all along.